debate is going on social media whether podcasts should be regulated by the government, what to say, what not to say. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. This is after MacG went too far with his misogyny behavior. Will say that the parliament summoned him. I don't know if he appeared before the parliament, but what I know is that Sihle Lonzi of the EFF has defended him in parliament. Here's my thing, right? Social media as a whole, it needs to be regulated. There must be rules. I get there's a human dignity, which is a fundamental human right in South Africa. Again, and then there's another right, which is the right to freedom of speech, which has a limitations clause. You have a responsibility not to hurt other people, not to mislead people when you are practicing your right to freedom of speech. That right comes with so much responsibility. The power that they've given you to have a freedom of speech, it comes with the great power to know what to say, when to say it, and how to say it. People always say that it's not about what you say, it's about how you say it. There are some things that you say, even it doesn't matter how you say it. If something is demeaning, it will always be demeaning. The thing that MacG has said should not have been said. And the good thing that he can do is to apologize and just retract and we move on. But when it comes to the parliament wanting to have a legislation or legislature, something like that, in order for them to regulate the podcast, I think it does not only gonna limit the freedom of speech, but what about the vloggers? Because you have to look at the broader pictures. There are many things that have been said. These girls who are on social media who are influencing girls to go and date married men, these girls who are influencing girls to date only Nigerians because they give them money. What about those things? Are you gonna also regulate them? Because you cannot look at the podcast only. There are many social impact that is done by social media in South Africa. A huge one. And if you're gonna look at it, you should look at it in a broader, like, just don't be narrow minded about it, because it's not only the podcast that is actually doing worse. There are things that are happening that are worse on social media. This thing of showing us like going to Matunyeni and then doing their things. Such things, they should also not be on social